Garden update for the beginning of August. Marigolds are doing good. My cannas, I don't know what's up with these things. My cannas, right? That's about all that the flowers will open. I don't know if they're supposed to open bigger or what, but that's it, man. That's one of them bugs. I gotta kill it. Sunflowers, they're getting bigger. I don't anticipate them sprouting any flowers. That little thing, part of it died, and then it came back. So that's doing good. These guys, they got deadhead some of these, but they open them. I think they like the sun, uh, but they're doing good. That little fella's doing good. There's a weed, I think. Yeah, damn weeds. But that little fella's doing pretty good. These guys, I pulled out one of the marigolds there. It wasn't doing good. Uh, it kind of looked like that, but it didn't have any buds popping off. This guy still doing good. It's got what I'm guessing will be flowers in the fall here. I'm guessing. Looks like it's going to be a lot, and it's red, so this is going to be nice. This will be blooming all winter in flowers all winter. That'll be awesome. Getting some berries on these holly bushes. This thing's doing better. This thing, it's getting a little bigger, but I don't know. Who knows? Maybe next year. I don't. I guess it will come back next year. It's hydrangea. Not much new on these. They're still the same. Getting, I don't want to say bigger, but they're just maintaining. Can't wait to see them eat all those yellow stems. I don't know if this year they'll be really vibrant yellow. We'll see. The reds, yeah, they're still getting bigger. I mean, they're getting really big. If you look back to when I planted them, they were small. Not even a quarter that size. So they're doing good. We'll talk about that. Squash, nixed it. I'm just buying it at the store. Got deadhead some of these. I don't know what's up with this. I'm guessing it's done flower. I don't know what it is. Marigolds. Blue-eyed beauties. That one popped. They're doing really good, man. God, if you would have saw this, if you go back to the beginning when I planted this thing, Jesus, it looked horrible. And it has really, really grown. I don't know. I know it's not going to come back next year. I wish it would, because it's really nice. But I don't know. I'll have to get some seeds or something, or get this early in the year so that I can get more of this, because I really like that. Potatoes. So I cut my potato stuff, vines, plant, the greenery. That was all looking dead like this, right? So I cut them off, and all this green is coming back. So hopefully I got potatoes under there. I'm just not ready to deal with them yet. That marigold plant, meh, it's got some flowers popping up. It's okay. On to the vegetables. The beets. They're doing good. Getting big. Lots of them. Picked some radishes the other day. I'm gonna let them go. Pickles. Man, pickles are just killing it, man. They're just getting like little ones like these, and like they're everywhere. Just growing so many pickles. I'm on my, look at them, just everywhere. There's a little tiny one right there. I think I'm little tiny ones here. This is an awesome variety, man. M.I. Gardner's pickling cucumbers. I'll put a link to his pickling cucumbers, uh, pickles. Look at them all, just they're everywhere. And it's just 4 plants. More radishes. And there's my salad. I'm done with that pretty much. I'll pick a couple leaves to eat. But it's coming up though. It's more. I pulled a bunch of it, and just more of it keeps coming up. Remember the squash plant? Nixed it. Nixed the other one. I'm done with squash. I'm not growing it anymore. It's just easier to buy it. But that's it. That's my garden update for the beginning of August. So pickles again. I am on my fourth round of making pickles, and I made 12 jars 3 times. And yeah, it's crazy. I'll put a picture of my latest pickles. And I'm messing with my recipe for my pickle brine. But man, these things are killer. I would plant some more, but I don't think they would make till first frost. I have to see when first frost is, but this is a great variety of pickles if you want to do pickles. I'm picking between 4 and 6 a day, every day. It's crazy. I had like 2.5 dozen in my refrigerator just waiting for me to make pickles out of. Still have some left from picking today. But anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this update.